In this short video, I'm going to show you how to download the instructions and the worksheet for the Excel projects, and then also how to review the results from after you submit. So you go to the Assignments tab, and you'll see here I'm going to use the Chapter 11 and 14 Excel projects. So I'm going to do this one here. So click on the project name, and you're going to see four options here. The first thing you're going to do is download the materials. And the materials include the instructions, they include the worksheet, and I would just suggest downloading this worksheet, and I'll open it up for you and show you. It's an Excel file, and it has the instructions included on one of the pages, and I think this is really the only file you need. This is the file you're actually going to submit to be graded, and make sure you enable editing once you get it downloaded. And if you notice, the tabs down here have the instructions, the data is here, and then here are the questions where you actually enter the answers into the cells here that are highlighted in blue. Once you finish, you want to save the file, and then you want to go back to the same area, and you're going to go ahead here and upload your completed document. You're going to choose your file, locate the file on your computer. This is one I did for Chapter 11. Click on the file name, open it. I'm not actually going to submit it because it's not the right file. Then you're going to click upload, and then you're going to click here, this bar will be blue now, and hit submit for grading. And then pretty quickly it will be graded for you. And I'm going to get out here. Let's get this closed down. And then to see the results, you want to go to the gradebook and go ahead and find the activity. And I'm going to go ahead, I'd already just submitted the Chapter 11 results. And if you see here, I've got a grade on Chapter 11. So if I click on it, I can actually say you are reviewing your homework. Any work due here will not change your score. You can go in then and review the results, and it will show you question by question what you got correct, how many points you earned, and then where you lost your points. You get two attempts to do this project. So if you didn't get all the points the first time, you can go ahead and go back, use the feedback that they provided for you, go back into the original worksheet that you worked on, and then just resubmit it back to the Assignments tab. Go back to that same location for the Excel projects and go ahead and resubmit it right into the same area again. And then it'll grade it for a second time for you. And again, go back to the gradebook to see the results.